I really need to start filming actually, because I've been sat here for 40 minutes watching YouTube videos. So obviously, yeah, I do a lot in my free time. Very busy girl. I am wearing my dressing gown because I'm really, really cold and I'm inside, so why not wear my dressing gown? So don't say anything about it. So in today's video, I was gonna use both of the bPerfect palettes together in an eye look. So I'm gonna go in my P. Louise base. I think I say this in every single tutorial, but I think I have a look in mind, so let's see how that turns out. It's really hard. I've got all of the bPerfect Stacey Marie palettes. I've got the first one just because it's kind of nostalgic for me. Even though I don't really use it, I don't know, like I said, like a nostalgic thing, like I don't think I can get rid of it. But I know I definitely keep both of these because they've not got copies of each other's shades, which I think comes in really handy. Like the bPerfect Carnival XL Pro has a lot of like blues and kind of greeny tones and a lot more in the warm and cool tones. So that's kind of good on that one. And by the way, this Reckless is like my favourite shade when I'm doing like darker eyes and mood, which I think both of these shades are in the first one. Then in this one, the Love Tahiti palette, it focuses more on like the reds, oranges, and the purples and the pinks, and a bit more on the greens, because the other one focused a bit more on the blues, this one focuses a bit more on the greens. So I guess you could say like they kind of balance each other out quite nicely. So me personally, I enjoy. So let's get into it. I believe I will be going in with, I believe I want to go in with Reckless first from the Pro palette. And I will be doing a halo eye today, I believe. So I just kind of let my eyes go like really like, you know, natural. Like I don't open my eyes really wide or anything like that. And I just kind of start patting it, and then I can kind of see how high I need my halo eye to go so it doesn't get caught up in my crease. And then they kind of need to join together right at the top. So I'm just using a really light hand. Right, so the next colour I want to go in with, so I do want to go in with Chili Pepper, which is from the Love Tahiti palette. Start that out lightly. So I'm going to go back in with the XL Pro palette and go in with Lit. Then I'm going to go in with Keen in the XL Pro. So that's the first layer. Obviously there's a little bit of like unblendedness, so I like to go back over with the colours again and just help the blending process. So I'm going back in with Reckless and the XL Pro palette. I'm going with Chili Pepper from the Love Tahiti. Going back in with a Lit from the Pro palette. Going back in with Keen from the Pro palette. You know what, during the whole lockdown quarantine whole phase, I feel like I've had the weirdest dreams of my life. Like the other night I had a dream, just one random dream really. Me and my boyfriend went and bought an ice cream van and we just drove the ice cream van around the town. We weren't even giving out ice creams. We just sat and ate the ice creams to ourselves. And like that was one whole dream, just us driving around in an ice cream van. And then last night, like, have you ever watched the movie like was it War of the Worlds with like Tom Cruise in? It was kind of like, I haven't watched that movie in literally years, and I think I've only watched it once. I don't even know if I've watched it all the way through. I think I just know of it because it's a scary movie. And it was kind of like that vibe. Like it was weird. I wouldn't even know how to explain it. It's like weird alien hoovers. Like it did look like a hoover because it had like, you know, the stretchy bit of the hoover, the neck of the hoover. And it had like that, and it was like sucking up children. And I got hairspray and a lighter from somewhere. I started like spraying them with hairspray. And then I woke up and I didn't know how it ended. But like proper weird dreams. Proper weird dreams. Like, what was it, a couple of weeks ago, I had a dream that I was Mario, you know, like Mario Kart Mario. And the Avengers wanted me to join them. So, you know, in amongst all these superheroes, I was just Mario. And I was just jumping over mushrooms. So when I'm doing a HALO cut crease thingy-bob, I usually do like 2 pencils and I go in with an eyeliner, like a thin pencil eyeliner, and then I go in with my normal cut crease brush. And I go in with the eyeliner brush to kind of map out where I want the halo eye to go. A little bit of my P. Louise base. So I kind of let my eyes kind of just like look normal. Don't raise my eyebrows or anything or open my eyes too wide. So I've kind of got where that's going to go. I'm going to use my cut crease brush and just start layering that on. So I'm going to get the brush that I used Reckless with and just kind of dab the edges of that halo eye. I'm not going to put any extra product on, I'm just dabbing whatever's left on the brush. Okay, now we need to put a nice shimmery shade, I think.
6.5 hours later.
I want to use this new pigment that I have called Candy Cane from Sample Beauty. It's kind of got reflects of like reds, pinks and blues. So I kind of want to use that. I might just stick it on. Just just like that really. So here's how that eye's looking at the minute. I think I am just gonna go off camera and finish the other eye off there. By the way, to kind of shade in the outer parts of the halo eye, I did go in with, it's in Love Tahiti palette and it's called JJ. Never used that colour before, but I thought why not? It's this colour here. Just kind of fade out the outer edges, I guess you could say, and I think that kind of worked alright. The only thing I hate about using glitter is I'm so messy. Anyway, whatever, I'm gonna go off and do the other eye off camera. Okay, so I've just gone and done the other eye. I've just applied some of my eyeliner just around the lashes, just so it's easier later on for us to put some false lashes on. I'm just gonna carry on and go and do my skin off camera, and then we can finish off the eyes with the lashes and the lower lash line and all that fun stuff. I'm just going to apply some mascara to my top lashes because I've yet to do that. So I'm going to go in my Unicorn Cosmetics lashes in the style, what style are they? Peachy Pie. So what I'm going to go and do first is go into Keen from the Pro palette and just kind of help that part of the eyeshadow blend out into the foundation. So going on to the lower lash line now. I'm going to go in with Reckless from the Pro palette, that deep purple shade, and start kind of gently running that on the lower lash line. So the next shade I'm going to go in with is Chili Pepper from the Love Tahiti palette. So I'm going to go back in with that Keen shade from the Pro palette and start dragging that yellow down towards the lower lash line basically. So I am now going to go in with my MAC Nylon, just pop that in the inner corner. And just got to do the finishing touches. So if you guys want my personal opinion, I would have just got both. I mean, Christmas is right around the corner if you think about it. I was going to wait for Christmas for this one and put it on my Christmas list, but when it comes to like makeup that I like need, like I really like, I need, I can't really wait that long. So I went and bought it for myself. But Christmas is right around the corner if you feel like treating yourself. And yeah, both really good palettes. I don't think personally I could choose one that I would like rather have than the other. And so I think they kind of make like a good family together. You know, can't separate them. So guys, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed. I guess it was kind of like an autumnal kind of vibe that I had today. You know, kind of feeling like the pumpkin-y, witchy vibe, but made it glam. Very glam. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the look. If you did, feel free and give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below of what you thought of the look. Also, follow me on IG. My IG is lacy.makeup. Feel free and give us a follow. And feel free and subscribe. I think I said everything that I needed to say. So I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.